VDC Van Delta has extensive new construction experience. As part of your new construction team, we will assist you throughout the blueprint and design stages. When there are changes, we will quickly and cost-effectively adjust to maintain your timeline. VDC new construction installation services include the following: Intercom and enterphone, access control and key fobs, CCTV and IP video surveillance, automatic door openers, data and telephone pre-wiring, phone and voicemail systems, Conduit and electrical services, locksmithing and security bars, remote system management. With unparalleled customer service and a highly skilled, dedicated installation and administrative team, VDC will surpass your construction expectations and deliver a first-class project within your specified budget.